Okay, class, get ready. So last week, 2.2, we have done question 3. So now we continue question 4, class, get ready, yeah? Okay, so we see question 4. Then I hope you still remember the formula that I taught you, yeah? How to do the differentiation, okay, or we call it the first derivative. Okay, first derivative class. Okay, before I continue, so we do some revision, what you had learned last week. Remember last week I taught you about using the first principle, right? And then after that, we go the shortcut one, right? Still remember the way? I hope you still remember the way of how are you going to differentiate, huh? Okay, the formula is, we do some revision. You are given y is a x power n. So to get the dy dx, yeah? So dy dx, you will get, bring down the n, multiply with the a, just copy the x, and the power minus 1. So remember all this that we have learned last week? Okay, so class now, see how are you going to do the rest of the questions, huh? Okay, look at question 4. Yeah, you are given, okay, combine one. Last week, okay, you refer back what you had learned for question 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 all given in a single term, See your 1, 2, 3? Yeah, just a single term only. See that? See the 1, 2, 3, the different? Different with number 4. Number 4, we got more than one term already. Can you see that? Yeah, so more than one term, the way to differentiate is the same. So we differentiate one by one, term by term. Means of what? Okay, right class. First of all, to get dy dx. Now you bring the 2 down. Then bring the 2 down. 2 down. 2 times 1, 2 x. N minus 1, you got 1. So n minus 1, always minus 1. You got 1. But 1 we don't write. Yeah? Okay, so remember last week I said, right, if any with the x only, you just copy the number we do. So remember that what I taught you, okay, y equal to mx plus c, right? So the gradient is m. The gradient is m. Cannot, the gradient. So dy dx actually is the gradient. One of the function of dy dx is gradient. So m. Okay, so just see a number with the x. A number with the x, just copy the number. If we see a number only, let's say 2 or 3 or what, right? This is a horizontal line. So for the horizontal line, you tell that dy dx is 0. Okay, got it, class? So, okay, let me continue. Okay, see B. B, when you see the x as denominator, remember last week I taught you, you bring it up. Then later on, you bring it back down. So how to get dy dx? Okay, number with the x, so copy the number only. Okay, remember just now? So -1, bring it down. Negative, negative, positive. 2x, -1 minus 1. You got -2. So next, just how you bring it up one, right? Now you bring it back down. Okay, can you understand? Okay, next. Let me explain to you all first, then only I'll let you copy. See and listen to my explanation first. When you see the two brackets like this, you expand first. Expand, okay? Let me see how you expand. 2x squared plus x minus 4x, okay? 4x minus 2. So before you differentiate, class, we simplify first, yeah? Simplify first, okay? Because you can see the x and 2x there. X minus 4x, x minus 4x, you got -3x. Simplify first. After that, only you do dy dx. Okay, see here, bring the 2 down, 2 to 4x. 2 minus 1, minus 1. Okay, we don't need to write now, 4x. Okay, x with a number only, just copy the number. And it's just a number without x, no need to write. The 0, no need to write. Unless it's just a number, a single term there, then we need to tell 0. Okay, got it, class? So, okay, I go through everything first because this is the first question that we have more than one term. So let me explain to you first. Okay, you listen to me everything first. Okay, class. When you see a single denominator like this, so you separate it. Separate it like this. Okay, then we simplify. And this one, you bring it up. Okay, now simplify first, then this one you bring it up. Because I say, right, when x as denominator, you shift it up, yeah? Okay, to get dy dx, follow the formula, bring the 2 down, 2x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we don't write the 1. Same as this one, bring the n down, negative 2x, the power minus 1. Negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Just now, you are the one to shift it up, right? Now, you shift it back down. Okay, can follow until here? Actually, for question D, we still have another formula that I'm going to teach you later. That is, wait, let me see. That is question 6. Later, I make use of question 6 to teach you the fraction one. The fraction one. Okay, see your question 6. Also question 5. Question 5 also we have that with a fraction. That one later. So I do this to show you. Later I come back here when using another method. Okay? So one more, I leave it to you, class. You copy A, B, C, D. Then E, you expand everything first, okay? And last week, I show you, right? I say any with a square root notation, you make it power 1 per 2. Make it power 1 per 2. After you finish all the differentiation, then only you make it to the same form that is with the square root. You without change it back to square root is okay one. Okay, copy A, B, C, D and try E number. So the answer for E, if you couldn't get it, let me know, yeah, class? Answer for E, the answer dy dx, 9 square root of x minus 15. Need help, Okay, class. Got students that need help for E, so listen to my explanation. Then I say you expand. 3 to 6. So that 3 to 6. And can you see x here, x? And this one is x 1 over 2. Okay, I write like this first. 6, x. That one is square root of x means x power 1 over 2. And then after that, okay, 3, 5, 15. So you got 15x, yeah? Class, we back to Form 3, Chapter 1, Index. When you have AM, multiply with AN, you get M plus N. So same one, here got 1, right? 1 and 1 over 2, you add up. So I got 6x, 1 plus 1 over 2 means 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 minus 15x. Okay, you can start to differentiate, see? Shift the power down, 3 per 2 times 6. If you can't do it direct, okay, now you write first, then only you multiply. Or you can write direct. 3 per 2 times 6, that is 9. If you want, you can write that, right? Yeah, okay. 3 per 2 minus 1. 3 per 2 minus 1 means 2 per 2, left 1 per 2. And any with the x only, so you copy the number. Okay, can you see 236? 339. And just now it's a square root notation that you change it to index. So now you change it back to square root notation, minus 15. Okay, got it? Okay, yeah, okay. So write down anything that needed, then get ready to my question 5. It's more or less the same. It's just that instead of giving y, I give you fx. Now number 6 also, I didn't give you fx, I didn't give you y. You remember last week? Yeah, last week is the same, all right, see? You let y be. Okay? Okay, so class, continue, yeah? Number 5, remember I said when you are given fx. So instead of writing y, you write dy dx, right? So if giving fx, you write f prime x. F prime x, or we call it derivative of f of x. So just make it simple, f prime x. Okay, so you do it like this, class. Number 5a. Same like question 4. I'll leave it to you all to try. See? Here, sometimes you got 3 terms, 2 terms, 3 terms. So to get the first derivative, f prime x, shift the 2 down. 2 to 4, x. 2 minus 1, we got 1. Okay, and negative 5. Because the x one, right? Y equal to mx, I say the m here. Just copy the number. And if it's just a number without x, so ignore, because the dy dx is 0. Okay, so I give you some guideline. You keep trying question B until E, yeah? Okay, keep trying, class. B, I think okay, B because same like A. You try first, later I give you the answer. If any that need help only, I show you, yeah? And when you start to do the differentiation, you can't just put equal, you know? You must write f prime x. Okay, if not, you get a wrong solution, yeah? C, you expand. I'm not going to show you how to expand. You should know already, yeah, class? So for D, any of the fraction with a single denominator, you separate it like just now I show you, remember? Exactly like question D. Separate means you separate them. Here got 3 terms, separate it to 3 terms. Then simplify it first before you start to differentiate. And what I meant, 2x power 3 divided by 2x, or x squared divided by 2x. And then the 7 per 2x, you can shift it up. Later, yeah, I simplify first, yeah? Okay, 2x cubed per 2x, left x squared. 2 to 4. X squared and x, left x. And 7 per 2, bring the x up. -1. Okay, so you can start to differentiate after you have simplified everything. Okay, got it, class? Then later you don't forget to shift it back down, right? Because just now you are the one to take it out. Okay, what about E? Okay, see? 2x per 3 times square root of x. So if it's 3 times square root of x, I make it, here, what I meant, x power 1 over 2. And then plus 5 per 3 x power 1 over 2. Okay, so what I have here, class, before I differentiate, I simplify first. Not yet, not yet differentiate, so you no need to write f prime here. When you start to differentiate, only write the f prime. Okay, see how I do? 1 minus 1 to 2. Same, back to form 3. Index, if divide 1, means the power you minus, okay? So here, 1 minus 1 over 2. And this, because it's like that, the power, you shift it up to become negative. Okay, so here you can start to differentiate. Can I keep trying? Later, when I show you the final answer to see whether you can get an yeah? If let's say any of you, you have finished earlier, you can try question 6. You let the y there, let y. And question 6, you try A, B, C. Don't try D yet, because D, I'm going to give you a new formula. Okay, done, yeah? Yeah, got students that have done. For you that, any of you still? If any of you still, I'll wait for you for a while. If all done, I'll start to explain, see whether I can get the correct answer or not, yeah? Done, yeah? Okay, good. Let's look at B. Yeah, check the answer, yeah? Then 326. 3 minus 1. Shift the power down, multiply, copy x, power minus 1. Okay, see here? 2, 5, 10. X. 2 minus 1, 1. We don't write. And if x only, just copy the number. Okay, can follow? Yeah, correct. Yeah, okay, good. Next class, see here? Here, we have 4 terms. Same as you should have. Okay, 3, 2, 6x squared. 3 minus 1. 2, 4, 8x. Power 1. Minus 6. Okay, done. So for questions D, yeah? See question D? Just now you shift it up, right? Remember to shift it back down, yeah? Okay, see D. So I have 2x, 2 times 1, 2. Copy x, 2 minus 1. So we got 1, we don't write the 1, yeah? Okay, just x only one. So we have 2. This one, bring it down, negative, negative, positive, 7 per 2, x. Negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. And don't forget just I said, yeah, because of the negative, you shift it up one right. Now you bring it back down. Okay, got it, class? One more. See here. 1 over 2. Shift the 1 over 2 down. 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. You get 1 over 3. X copy. 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1. You get negative 1 over 2. Okay, shift this down also. Negative, positive, negative. 5 per 3 times 1 over 2. 5 per 3 times 1 over 2. You get 5 per 6. X. Negative 1 per 2 minus 1. Negative 1 per 2 minus 1 means negative 3 per 2. Okay, until here it's okay. So now, because of here, okay, we can simplify it. Yeah, simplify it means how? I'll show you, I put it back first. 1 per 3 x power 1 per 2. Because the other question consists of the set notation one, right? Okay, square root notation. Later I put it back, yeah? Okay, just for a while. So here, what I have here, negative 5 per 6. Bring it back down. Can I? Bring it back down, so we got negative 1 over 2. Wait, let me check and see. 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, negative 1 over 2, yeah? So here, oh, wait. There's a mistake, right? 2 per 3. This one I put it up. Sorry. I have one mistake here. One moment, yeah, class. This one I shift it up. Oh, no. This is 1 minus 1 over 2. Yeah. Sorry, yeah. 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. This one only I shift it up. See that? This one only I shift it up, yeah? Okay, so 1 over 2 times 2 per 3. 1 over 2 times 2 per 3, 1 over 3. X. 1 per 2 minus 1. Get that? And this one, same thing, shift it down. 5 per 3 times 1 per 2. So 5 per 6. Negative 1 per 2 minus 1. Negative 3 per 2. Okay, so class, now I put it back, yeah? So the negative one, I can shift it down here. Same thing, this one I shift it down here. Okay. So, class, you want to simplify it, you see here. Because of now, just now, right? Just now it's a single fraction, then I separate it, then I differentiate it. Then after that, I make it to the single fraction again. So how? So 3, okay, because I want to make it 6x power 3 per 2. So I multiply with 2x. So yeah, I make it to the same denominator. I multiply with 2x means I got 3 to 6 x. 1 over 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. Then, because I want to make it to the same denominator here. Got it? So 2x here minus 5. Okay, so we got 2x minus 5, 6. I make it back to the square root of x, then power 3. So now, this one means square root. Square root, we don't write the 2 there one. No, here is 2 right, so it's square root. Then x power 3. So we don't write the square root with the 2 because this is already represent 2. Okay, got it, class? Okay, so class, same thing. Write down anything that needed. Then after that, you try question 6. Yeah, try winner. 2.2. Yeah, you try question 6. Wait, let me see. So you let y equal, yeah? Okay, try question 6 now. Is there anything that needed right now first? I make it a bit smaller so they can see everything for question 5. Okay. Well done, I delete because I want to show you some guideline here for the rest of the questions. Any question to ask before I delete class? No, okay. So just now ask you to do question 6, right? Yeah, question 6. Remember, make a let. Tell let, because you, you don't have the subject there, so you let Y be. Then expand. Expand, then only you tell dy dx, okay? So I write the answer here to show you, right? If you couldn't get, only I show you the following steps, class? B is quite easy. No need to expand. It's already there, B. So for C, shift the X up first. And later, don't forget to shift it back down, okay? And class D, you leave it first. I'll explain to you just for a while for D, because you can see the D, the fraction, the denominator that is not single. So if the denominator that is not single, we can't separate the one. So I'll show you how. Okay, you complete A, B, and C first. If you need help with which one, you let me know because answer is already given there. Yeah. Okay, done, yeah? Okay, good. Yeah, some have done. What about the rest of you? Any of you need help? Any of you still? Done, yeah? Okay, good. Now look at D. No questions, yeah? Any of you need help? No, huh? Okay, class. Now, when you see like this, when you see the denominator that consists of more than one term, we cannot separate one, right? There are only single term that we can separate them. And you see this one. This is terms that we can factorize one. Remember, I taught you before, I said, when you see two terms, center with minus, and both are perfect square, meaning that you still can factorize. Any that can be factorized is a must for you to factorize first. So you see, I got a plus b, a minus b. Then I got 2x and 2x, 4x squared, 3, 3, 9. So what you can see from your class? You notice that? Okay, the whole thing here can be simplified. 2x plus 3. So we make it simple already, can you see that? So left, 2x minus 3. So now to get the dy dx is very easy. You get 2 only. Okay, done. Okay, you understand so far until here? Anything that can be factorized, you factorize, okay? Remember the way. How are you going to solve, yeah? So can follow all of you? Okay, so that's all for question 6, yeah? Okay, now we go question 7. So can I delete? I delete, yeah, okay. Now question 7. When you see a power, okay, look at question 7. You see this one? You can't expand anymore, right? Maybe power 2, okay, power 2 you can. Power 3, okay, maybe you can. Power 3 also I taught you how to expand, right? But you can see power 4, power 7, power -1, where you can't expand anymore. It's too big, the power. So if it's too big, you can't expand anymore. Yeah, there's another formula. Yeah. So class, take note of how are you going to expand this type of questions. A bracket with a power that is big, or power that is a bracket with a negative where you can't expand anymore. Okay, even you want to, let's say power 2, although power 2 you can expand, power 3 you can expand. You want to expand to do like just now we have done, up to you. If not, okay, now we learn another formula. Class, we learn another formula, yeah? The formula is, okay, let's say I give you y equal to, see the form, the form that I'm going to teach you, y equal to, okay, this type of form, a bracket, ax plus b power n. In front, we got nothing one, okay, nothing yet. So later in front got something later, I'll teach you another one, okay? Now, so the way is like that, 4 steps. Bring down the power. Okay, 4 steps, bring down the power. Copy the bracket. Power -1. After that, you see differentiate the bracket. Differentiate the bracket class. Remember, let's say I just give you y is ax. When you want to differentiate the bracket here, is it a only, right? So there's an a here. There's an a here. Okay, now? Then you can bring the a in front. Can bring the a in front to multiply. So now you can write as NA, AX plus B, and N -1. It's more or less like just now the formula that I have written for you, remember? That's why I gave you like this. Y is AX power N. To get dy dx, N times A, see? N times A, X, just copy, N -1. So the difference is, now we got 2 terms here. And this one is just a single X there, see? Get that? Okay, so class, get ready to my question 7. Listen to my explanation, yeah? Okay, 7a. Y x plus 5 power 7. Okay, see how I do? Later, I want you to try some, yeah? Now, to get dy dx, yeah, the 4 steps. Bring down the power, bracket, copy the bracket, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket. Yeah, 1 here, 1 here. Actually, the 1, there's no need to write. There's no need to write. But I write to show you the step, the 4 steps. So you get 7 x plus 5 power 6. Okay, just how I mentioned, right, there is no number in front. If sometimes you might see a number, not unknown, number in front. For example, I put like this. So to get dy dx, 7 times 3, 21. Copy the bracket, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket. So you get 21 x plus 5 power 6. Okay, got it? Yeah, bracket, the bracket inside one, you differentiate it. Okay, nah? Okay, one more for me to explain, then later you try to do, yeah? CB. So to get dy dx, bring down the power, copy the bracket, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket, see? The negative 1. Beside the x there is negative 1. Because this now is 1, 1 does not change anything, right? So if it's negative 1, you bring the negative 1 in front. Negative 1 in front, okay? Differentiate the bracket, 7b. So I bring the negative 4, 3 minus x, power 3. Done. Okay, got it? Yeah, now your turn. Okay, copy my 7, 8, and B. Try C and D. So same, I write the answer for C and D to show you. You couldn't get, you ask me. Okay, I keep trying these 2 questions, yeah? Okay, done, yeah. What about any of you still? Still, yeah. Okay, for you to have done, you double checking first, then you can have a short break while waiting for those that not yet. I'm going to show you the solution later. Hey, class, any of you need help? Or also need help? Okay, I'll show you. See? Let's just see the step. Bring down the power, copy the bracket, power minus 1. Differentiate the bracket. There you got 2x. Remember, if I give you y is x squared, to get dy dx, then you get 2x. Okay, so 3 times 2x, you get 6x. Just copy, done. Okay, d also, yeah, I see d. Bring down the power. Actually, write negative will do. It's okay, I just write -1 to show you. Power minus 1. Okay, see, yeah? Let's say I give you y is 1 minus 2x squared. Remember to get dy dx? 2 to 4. -4x. 2 minus 1, you got 1. Okay, so this is what I meant. Differentiate the bracket. Yeah, differentiate the bracket. So I get -4x. Negative, negative, positive, 4x. And because of the power here is negative, so I shift it back down. Okay, so done. Okay, can follow? Okay, good. So class, now the same thing for question 8 and question 9. It's the same, that's what I mentioned, right? Yeah, because the difference is number 8 is in an FX form. Number 9, you have to let. Okay, let class keep trying. I'll show you part of the solution to help you out, guide you all. So you continue 8 and 9. Okay, keep trying. Write down anything that needed first. Okay, I did it now, class. First, I need more space, class. I'm not going to show you the question here because you can refer your question paper, yeah? I write everything on my whiteboard, yeah? Okay. They're not the first questions with the power 5 that you can't expand, okay? So I'll show you one more again. Bring down the power, copy the bracket, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket. 4x, that is 4. So simplify it, you get 20, 4x plus 3 power 4. Okay, I keep doing the same thing. Yeah, wait for a while. Class, you look at C. Because you want to make it this pattern, class. Just actually the past few weeks also explained already, right? If the x has denominator, you shift it up. You shift the whole thing up. 5, you can't shift the 3x up only, because got 2 terms here. You shift the bracket up as -1. And this I explain to you first. Later only you continue the rest. Like listen to me. Same, bring down the power, -1 and 2, -2. Copy the bracket, power -1. Differentiate the bracket that is -3. X, negative, negative, +6. So the bracket bring it back down, in positive form. Okay? Yes, okay, continue class. So same as number 9, I'll show you also. But number 9, I'm not keep writing that understood. If no subject there, you just tell let, okay? And for the answer for number B, class, which bracket first, which bracket next is okay one, Oh yeah, B, C, D, 6x, 6. Number 9 until EF, huh? So it's okay for me. Oh yeah, yeah, still number 8 now. Okay, tak apa. Got not enough space for me. You do until here first. If any that need help, you let me know before I delete, okay? Now all the answer I highlight with the yellow one to show you. Keep doing, eh? Once you couldn't get, you let me know. For class, I need some space to show you number 9, E and F. Any of you need help for question 8, A, B, 8 and B, then 8 and B? Any of you? No, okay, so I did it A, B, yeah? Actually, A I have done for you. What about B? Any of you? No, okay. So I show the number 9, E and F here, yeah, class? Any with the square root, I say you make it index form. So I delete C also, yeah, class, because C already done for you, I need some space. Done or still, class? Still, yeah, okay. Any of you need help for any questions? No, okay, so keep trying. Done, let me know, huh? Okay, which one you need help, class? Any of you? Want me to explain any? Can get out? Okay, good. So is it okay for me to delete, class? Done, yeah? Okay, good. All can get now? Make sure, yeah? Actually, it should be okay, right? Because you have done quite a lot already, yeah? Okay, we keep on. Another question, class. So we have done question 9. Okay, now look at your question 10. So same thing, another formula. Okay, can you see the two brackets one? That we call it product rule. Product rule. Okay, what do you mean by product rule? So listen to me, class. Up to you whether you want to do directly or you can follow the formula. Yeah, follow the formula. Means of what? Okay, let me explain to you. Question 10. And listen to me, question 10. You look at the question. Yeah, I copy because I need a space here to show you the solution. See here. So you are given for question 10. Look at 10A. Product rule. I'm going to teach you product rule. I'll go slow, yeah. Y is x squared 2 minus 3x. Now, actually, class, in an exam like just now, okay, we're back to previous one. Previous that I taught you we can expand, right? See, 2x squared minus 3x cubed. This one easily to expand. So we back to last week work or just now we have done some also. Eh? 224, 4x minus 339 x 3 minus 1 squared. See that? Actually, it's, you can use this method also. It's okay one. It's just I want to prove to you by using another method. Yeah. So maybe in case that maybe these two bracket with a power that quite big one, you can't expand. Okay, so class, see how I do with another formula, yeah? So first of all, okay, y x squared 2 minus 3x. So both also got x1. Both consist of x1, huh? So class, what you need to do is, what I meant is both consist of x. Like this is not consist of x1. I say 4 minus 3x. This is no x1. If no x1, we are not using this way. No x1, you need to expand and differentiate. Okay? If here with the x, here also got x1. So the way you have to use product rule or you can expand and differentiate. Okay, so class. Like these are questions, I tell that UV method. Next time when I say UV method, so this is U, And this is V. I mentioned UV method next time. Product one, huh? Up to you. You can use UV. You can use A, B, C, D, E, F is okay one. So I just let both be U and V. Yeah? Okay, wait. Next. You differentiate each of it. When you want to differentiate this one, you tell du dx. Okay, I got 2x. And this one, dv dx. Then I got -3. So next step to do is what, class? We do the cross multiple. Okay. Actually, I said cross multiple. It's not that really we multiplied it. Yeah, I said that cross one means you get 1 by 1. Okay, see how I do a cross? Huh? This is what I said, that you need to cross it to get the formula. Okay, how, class? Let's see here. So first of all, you let UV, UV. Okay, so the dy dx. Okay, I copy the formula here. Right one, dy dx is, we copy the left one, that is u. We copy the left one, that is u. Differentiate right. Plus, copy the right one, means v, uv. Copy the right, differentiate the left. Copy right, differentiate left. Copy left, differentiate right. So this is a formula. Okay, so class, see here. From this formula, see how I do? So class, now I want to do dy dx. Copy u. Copy u. Differentiate right. See the arrow. Plus, copy v. Differentiate left. Okay, got it? Copy right, differentiate left. Plus copy left, differentiate right. See that? Okay, next, I simplified it. -3x squared. 2x times 2, 4x. 2x times 3, 6x squared. So I got 4x. -3, -6, I got -9. Now you see the answer here? See that? Maybe you ask, why that simple? Why that simple we want to use? Why you want to use this one? Just like I told you already, right? If any that simple, you can expand and use this way to solve. I make use of this to show you this method is because of, in case here consists of power that's so big, maybe power 3, power 4, power 5, power -1 that you can't expand, you have to use this method. Got it, class? Can follow what I meant? Okay, so let me explain one more. Listen first, then only I'm not going to use this anymore, because I want to show you product rule. Okay, so like listen to me, focus, and see how I do, 2x minus 5, x squared plus 2. Okay, same. Let u be 2x minus 5, and v be x squared plus 2. Okay, now I differentiate du dx, that is 2, dv dx, that is 2x. Okay, so say you do the cross one. Actually, it's not a must for you to draw the arrow. I draw because I want to show you, okay? So you follow the arrow, copy one, differentiate one, plus copy the other one, differentiate the other one. Okay, so class C, dy dx. I didn't write the red one anymore. I direct. Copy u, differentiate right, see the arrow. Plus, copy v, differentiate the other one. Okay, next step, we just need to simplify it. Okay, 224 for x squared minus 10x. 2x squared plus 4. So I get 6x squared minus 10x plus 4. Okay, done. So class, copy the A, B, and keep trying C, D, and C. Try C, D. So I just write the answer here, C and D. Yeah? Okay, keep trying. Copy down first, 10, A, and B. Any question to ask before you try C and D? Can you understand that? Yes, okay, good. Keep on. So can I delete A and B? Yeah. So you keep trying C and D. Later I'll show you. No need to let one. Up to you. If you want to let UV, you keep doing the same thing. If not, you can do direct. Later I'll show you. Okay, you try first to see whether you can get this two or not. Yeah. Okay, class, I show you. Can get answer in that class before I show you another method that I said that there's no need for you to let UV one. Okay, see here. Then you can go direct. Copy left. See how I do? Copy left. Differentiate right. So when I want to differentiate right, can I 2x? Yeah, 2x. It's just that we shortcut, we don't need to write down let u, let v. Plus, copy right, differentiate left. Okay? Left is 3, 4, 12, x squared. Because all the single term I taught you how to differentiate already, okay? See that? Then so means I no need to keep letting one by one like that. Is okay until here, class? And follow? Copy left, differentiate right. Copy right, differentiate left. Then can simplify already. 4 to 8 x, power 3 and power 1, we got power 4. Next, 12x squared and x squared, we got 12x power 4. 5 times 12, 60, x squared. And then find the like terms. 8x, oh, sorry. Write the x twice already, huh? 8x power 4 plus 12x power 4. So you get 20x power 4. And this one is different term, unlike terms. Then just copy. Okay? See it again, huh? Must write dy dx, huh? Okay, copy left. Differentiate right. Okay, 2. Copy right. Differentiate left. Negative 2x. Can I say that? Then the 2, negative 2x. Okay, then simplify. 2 expand, 2x squared. Negative, positive, negative, 2 to 4x squared. Negative, positive, negative, 7 to 14. 14x. Negative 2, negative 4. Okay, 2 minus 2x squared minus 4x squared. Negative 2x. Wait, first, let me check and see. 2 minus 2x squared minus 4x squared. So I got 2 minus 14x. Negative 2, negative 4, I got negative 6. Hey, wait, Here, x, I forgot to write the x. So -2, -4, I got -6. Okay. Ready? Then this one, I skip the step of letting you be. But if you feel that it's hard for you to go direct like this, okay, lah, tak apa, you let you and be. Okay, nak class? So same thing, anything that needed you can write down. Then you can have a try question 11. Question 11, same. Same means you do the F prime. F prime. Okay, keep trying and see. Just a different way for question 10 is y equal. Question 11 is fx equal, so you make f prime x. The same thing, class. When it comes to question 12 also, you let y equal. So means for 10, number 10, you refer number 10. You try question 11 and 12 as homework because there's not enough time for me to wait for you to do everything here. So I just leave these two questions for you to try it, okay? 11 and 12 as homework. Next week only I go to with you, yeah? Okay, so until here today, class. You're allowed to leave. See you. Bye.